Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, located on the Italian island of Sicily, is once again showing its ferocity throughout 2026. This latest volcanic activity has sparked significant concern after lava flows, volcanic ashfall, and hot gas emissions continue to increase from its active crater. This terrifying phenomenon attracted worldwide attention due to its intense scale and potential threat to the surrounding area. In early January 2026, Etna erupted on its eastern slopes in the Valle del Bove region. A new fissure opened at an altitude of about 2,100 meters above sea level, and lava flows continued to flow down the mountain slopes. In a short time, the giant river of fire reached a height of about 1,420 meters, creating a scene that resembled midnight hell. Italian volcanologists stated that the movement of magma beneath the surface is still ongoing, and the pressure inside the volcano remains high. Entering mid-June 2026, Etna's activity will increase drastically again. A column of hot ash and gas was seen rising high into the sky over Sicily. Volcanic tremors detected since midnight developed into an eruption, producing a large, thick ash cloud. Tourists and residents near the volcano witnessed a giant black plume that partially obscured the sky. Video footage circulating on social media showed a continuous stream of ash and gas erupting from the crater with mirror-like intensity. What makes Mount Etna's eruption so terrifying is not just the incandescent lava. The volcano also produces a volcanic ash cloud that can reach several kilometers into the atmosphere. This ash has the potential to disrupt flights, damage infrastructure, pollute air sources, and endanger human health. The fine particles released can cause respiratory problems, eye irritation, and reduce air quality over a wide area. History shows that Mount Etna is not a volcano to be underestimated. Over thousands of years, it has experienced hundreds of eruptions. One of the most famous occurred in 1669, when lava flows destroyed several buildings and reached the city of Catania. Even the city's sturdy walls were unable to fully withstand the onslaught of hot lava that continued to move for months. This event is recorded as one of the largest volcanic disasters in Italian history. In recent years, Etna has exhibited increasingly explosive activity. In June 2025, the volcano emitted an ash cloud approximately 6.5 kilometers high after a portion of the southeastern crater collapsed. Tourists at the scene fled as pyroclastic flows and ash began to destroy the mountainside. Although no casualties were reported, the incident demonstrated how quickly conditions can change at this massive volcano. Scientists are currently monitoring Etna's activity through a network of seismic sensors, satellites, and direct observations. They believe that the continued volcanic activity since early 2026 indicates a still active supply of magma from deep within the Earth. While most of the lava flows remain within a relatively safe natural zone, increasing pressure could trigger an eruption at any time. For the people of Sicily, Mount Etna represents both a symbol and a looming threat. On the one hand, its fertile volcanic soil supports agriculture and tourism. On the other, every tremor from within the volcano serves as a reminder that the power of nature can turn catastrophic at any time. The last eruption in 2026 once again proved that Etna remains one of the most fearsome and active volcanoes in the world, a fiery giant that continues to show that it is not asleep.